This 2018 F-150 behind me is no ordinary truck. This thing is a Roush Racing Edition, which means it's got a supercharged 5-liter in it. We've done a whole bunch of work to it, and we're gonna walk you through what we did. I really love this truck. I think the color is awesome, and of course all the Roush accents make it look even better. But the customer wanted to bring it to us to upgrade some performance as far as suspension and brakes go, along with a whole bunch of other cool lighting and stuff. Up in the front, you can see we've got this BDS 4-inch kit installed. This kit comes with high-speed compression adjustable shocks, so you can adjust the firmness of this, which is really sweet. And check out these things. These are the big 6-piston Wilwoods. As a floating hat, we also installed some Bora wheel spacers. The customer really wanted to retain the original Roush Racing wheels, and to fit those brakes, we had to do about a 1-inch spacer to do it. To install that 1-inch spacer, we also had to trim down the wheel studs a little bit to make room for that. Out back, you can see it's a pretty simple system. Again, it's got Fox high-end reservoir shocks, which are awesome. We also use the BDS recoil traction bar, which is sweet. We didn't do anything with the rear brakes just yet, but I assume at some point we're gonna do it. I really like this truck. It is sweet. The bed of this truck is all business. Check this out. So first we installed this Deck'd system, right? So you got 2 pull-out drawers for all your fun stuff. Rad, right? So you're ready for work or play. We also installed this full slide out, which is awesome. So it makes hauling stuff and loading stuff a breeze. Of course, this is all topped off with a Diamondback cover, which looks really good. I also want to show you inside, because I'm really happy with what we did for wiring. It is slick. Here, as you can see, we wired up the Switch Pros. Somebody online made this cool sunglass mount, and we were able to wire up all of his accessories right to it. So all the lights that are in the roof rack that we installed are right there, as well as a front locker. So this guy is not getting stuck in this truck. It is ready for fun, and it is sweet. He's got a couple of other switches down here for some auxiliary lighting. That was part of the Roush package for the lights up in the grill. So I love how this truck turned out. I'm sure you do. It's not very often we see a Roush Racing F-150 in the shop, but I had a blast working on this truck. If this was your truck, let us know what you would do next. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, check us out on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See ya.